Hello friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If you have been keeping up with the channel, then you know I have taken a little bit of a long break, not really that long, only about 10-12 days, but it was a much needed vacation. I got to focus on a lot of other things, but we are back. And in today's video, we are going to be discussing how to properly and perfectly execute an urban modern room. If you are interested in this type of video, just keep watching. Also, don't forget, go ahead down below, check that description box for examples of urban modern pieces that you can use in your home right now and links on where to get it and to the specific product. So like I said, go ahead, check that out in the description box. Let's get into the video. So if you are confused when I say urban modern, like what is she talking about? Well, an urban modern style stems from cosmopolitan influence. So think designer loft in a major city that fuses together opposing yet complementary design elements. It's not uncommon to see traits of minimalist style with edgy designs and even a little bit of glamour in an urban modern room. Change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't want to be where I am. And I want something more. Now, the urban modern style is perfect for sophisticated city dwellers. Urban modern design style is the ultimate for cosmopolitan living, with nods to contemporary, modern, and industrial influences. Now, this is a really elevated design style, but it stands on its own. So this design trend is always on point, mainly thanks to its enviable emphasis on comfort and takes on glamorous city life. It also makes for a savvy route to create your own oasis in the city. Basically, it's the best of both worlds. This decorative style is also great for an industrial loft or any modern apartment overlooking the rooftops of the city. But honestly, it could be great just for a regular home in Cleveland, Ohio as well. The great thing about this trend is that you don't have to live in the city to get this city look. Think light and airy spaces that take full advantage of architectural drama realized with visionary furnishings and really delicious decor.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but
I think the thing that I love most about this decor style is how it just takes all these different styles and merges it into one beautiful look. So if you take this room, you can see elements of modern, you can see a little industrial, you can see some traditional, you can see all these different design styles and looks that we've covered before, but it just merges into one beautiful look that I am absolutely for. And what's funny is that I don't think I would ever decorate my home in just industrial or just modern, but the fusion of this together to create urban modern, I really love this look.
all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't want to be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance.
Spirited urban modern interior design is contemporary and industrial at its core, but not as aggressively so as a completely ultra modern or just plain out decidedly industrial design. See, urban modern decor often has a softer side to it. Anything from warmer tones to highly designed furnishings to relaxed soft furnishings. Urban interior decorating places equal focus on comfort and brilliant design. So you may ask, how do I achieve this look? Here is a quick tip. Urban modern style is all about creating a soothing and serene yet gorgeously decorated home, featuring a lived-in sense of charm for everyday life. By using neutrals and introducing warm tones, you'll feel at home and inspired to make the most of your urban modern design direction.
But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place.
So you can source one-off and complementary design styles to pull a room together with cosmopolitan influence, while keeping it warm and inviting at the same time, with minimal features softened by plush fabrications and rugs. This is a trusted method to keep your home feeling more playful, unique, and intoxicating in ways that ultra-modern and industrial designs really don't allow you to do. So if you notice, a lot of the urban and modern design styles will pair some nature in there as well. Whether it's faux plants, real plants, or just huge open windows that let in tons of light and views of plants, it's always incorporated in there in some way.
Where I'm standing, and I don't want to be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance.
So you can paint a feature wall, a recessed wall, or an alcove a warm and inviting color to avoid what might otherwise feel like an overly industrial space. This design is thoroughly modern in spirit, and neutrals are an essential way to ground and tie everything together. No urban modern bedroom or urban modern living room or home would be complete without comfortable home furnishings to soften and complete the look. So think rugs made out of natural materials in warm tones over white, gray, or wood flooring. Select natural colored throws and pillows to house on your sofa in browns, creams, or grays to tie in more industrial, urban interior design concepts and elements.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
So guys, don't forget to comment down below and let me know your favorite usage so far of the urban modern style. I actually love this room right here. I really love this style. Want to know if you guys like it as well. So comment your favorite look down below.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
Okay, so I know that I have asked you to comment your favorite room below. If you want to see mine, this was it. Now I had many favorites, but I really love this room. From the natural tones of the wood to the marble to the color scheme, I thought this was a great example of using this style to decorate your room. Alrighty friends, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye friends, and of course, stay stylish.
Keep me where I'm standing.